Want to grow and tone your glutes without doing a single squat? You're in the right place. This 10-minute no-squat glute workout is low-impact, equipment-free, and perfect for home. Let's get those glutes fired up. Start with a light warm-up. March in place. Now add some butt kicks. And finish with standing leg swings. We're getting the muscles warm and ready to activate. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Push through your heels and lift your hips up. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then slowly lower. Let's go for 30 seconds. Feel that burn already? That's how you know it's working. Get on all fours. Kick one leg back and up, keeping your knee bent. Squeeze your glute at the top. Switch sides after 30 seconds. No squats, but all the gains. Still on all fours, raise one leg out to the side like you're a fire hydrant. Control the motion. Keep your core tight. This one hits the outer glutes hard. Yes, it burns. Keep going. Extend your leg straight back this time. Point the toe. Engage the glutes. Alternate leg every 30 seconds. It's all about control, not speed. Lie on your side, stack your hips, and lift the top leg up and down. Small moves, big results. Switch sides halfway through. You've made it this far. Don't stop now. Time to cool down. Stretch out your glutes with a figure 4 stretch. Then finish with a gentle child's pose. You crushed this glute workout without a single squat. Like and subscribe to PrimeFit Flow for more quick and effective workouts right from your home. And remember, consistency builds results.